What's up, YouTube? I'm coming on here today as a big chop check-in. Today, as you can see, my hair is real dirty. I got eco styler crumbs and stuff in my hair, and it's wash day today. And I have picked up a new product. Well, new to me. I don't know about everybody else, but it is the Aussie Miracle Curls line. So I'm going to use this co-wash to wash my hair. Thank you, buddy. And the curl refresher. Say hi, bud.
Hi, Mom.
And then I have the frizz taming cream. And I also have the curl defining oil. So I'm gonna co-wash my hair and style it and see how well it goes. I want to kind of stop using eco styler, but that might be a problem. But we'll see after I test these out, and I will come back and let you guys know my thoughts. I do know there's more products to what I have here, but my Walmart did not carry everything, so I got what they did carry minus the mousse. I'm a little iffy on the mousse because I don't really like using mousse. It dries my scalp out and I end up having sores, but because this is a new product, I kind of want to try it anyway. But I'll be back after I wash my hair, and I'll let you guys see how it turned out. So like I said, this is me, dirty hair, haven't styled it, nothing. So I'll be back. Okay, so I've already co-washed my hair with their co-wash, and I'm going to go ahead through the process with everything else. Yeah, I smelled it, and I wasn't too impressed with the smell. It smelled more like something I've smelled over the counter before. It didn't smell expensive, but then it didn't smell cheap, so you know, it was okay. But for now, you're going to see me apply everything to my hair and let you guys know what I feel about it after that. A 1 week update and a 2 week update. So go ahead, stay in, check that out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye. Hey everybody, so I'm back. This is 2 weeks after I first started using that Aussie hair for the curly hair, and I laid down my hair with my own mix that I made a few months ago, and I kept it in the refrigerator, and it's been holding up since I guess like May. And as you can see, my hair is very curly. It looks really shiny and really healthy, so it's definitely something I'm going to keep on using, and I will let you guys know if I ever get my hands on the other products, because for some reason my Walmart is slipping and they still haven't got anything else other than that. So I will definitely show you that, and I want to go ahead and just tell you guys about this curling rod that I got before I decided to cut my hair, which was definitely a necessary change. But this, ooh, it's such a glare. This is the curling iron. It's by Nume. I was sent this from their company to review a while ago, and unfortunately, like I said, my hair was falling out and breaking off. I had to cut it, and it's such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful curling rod. I love pink. But this in here comes with the heat glove to stop you from burning yourself, so you can hold your hair on the thing. It comes in a really, really cute box. When this box is empty, I'm probably gonna reuse this or something. I don't know what, but it's too cute to get rid of. Look at the base. Really, really cute. And this is the 32mm digital temperature control iron. It is titanium. And as you can see, it is digitally controlled. It says high temp, and I think this goes up to, let me look at the instructions. I have such a small space in here now, you guys, as I'm embarking on some new things. My space is getting a little limited, but it says features and specifications, if you can see that. It is 100% titanium. It's clipless to give crease-free curls. It has a color control display. It goes from 140 to 450. It has infrared heat technology, negative ion technology, and it has a very thin ergonomic style. It's very lightweight, which I do have to say it is. I have another curling wire. It is pretty heavy. And it has the heat resistant glove, and it's also got like their little booklet with their instructions on all of their products in this booklet. They have flat irons, they have hair serums, they have the curling wands, they have blow dryers, they have a lot of stuff. I want you guys to go ahead and check them out. I'm trying to get over to my mom's house so that I can curl her hair for her. She broke her arm, I think it was back in August, maybe? Or July. So she's been at home and she's really bored and she can't really efficiently do her hair like she wants to do. So I'm going to talk to her and see whether or not she'll allow me to curl her hair with this, and then give you guys a review on that. But I did not want to leave you guys hanging. Nume, I wanted to at least get something out as far as this curling iron, let you know that I'm not just sitting on it. As you can see, I can't curl this quite yet, but I just wanted to go and let you guys know that. The link is down in the description bar for their website, so you can check out what they do have. And if you haven't seen my last video about my new thing going on, it's called Life's Outline, which is a 30-day vision board challenge, and it's not your everyday vision board workshop. So I want you guys to go ahead and definitely check that out, and I will see you guys again real soon, because I gotta fill these bad boys. They looking real nasty, and I lost one. Okay, alright, bye.